So today I tried out my Shark Evoline modular helmet, which I haven't worn for a very long time. I bought the Shark around the same time as I bought the LS2. Both modular helmets, both where the chin bar flips all the way to the back. Now I have to say I do prefer the LS2 modular helmet, but the Shark is quite good too, although a little heavier than the LS2. Today is the 19th of September. As you can see behind me, it's quite overcast and the temperature is about 68 degrees. Therefore, I am wearing my Merlin Chase leather jacket and a face mask to keep the cold air off my face. This is my grinning, grimacing clown face shield, which I quite enjoy riding. It tends to put the fear of God into people when they see me wearing this, and people give a double take from their cars when they see this. I think it's funny. Even the girl in White House copy said it was quite scary. I do like to be scary. So my opinion of the Shark Evoline modular helmet, I think the LS2 fits me better. It's a better shape for my head, the shape of my head. The Shark is okay, but it is slightly heavier than the LS2. It doesn't fit quite as well, but my girl has been wearing this helmet, and she has braids and things on her head, so that might have stretched out the insides of it. As you can see, that the tin bar flips around quite easily, and, so it gives you extra options.